What is HTML? How to start HTML programming and how to make a simple website using HTML. Hi guys, I'm Army. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel to make me motivate and like this video to help me get more views. Today we want to talk about HTML and answer all of the questions in the first of video. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language describe the structure of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML aligned by tags. Some of them are single and some of them are not. Every HTML simple document starts with doctype HTML tag. And then we need a HTML tag, and inside of our HTML tag we need a head tag and a body tag too. We need a head tag for website's settings like title of the web page, favicon icon or styles, and we need body section and body tag for our web page content. In body we need some elements to create a web page or a website. Some elements like H1, H2 and H3 for our titles. A P tag for our paragraphs. Or maybe a HR to make a line in our web page. And maybe sometimes we need a link. We can make it with a or enter tag with href attribute. We can write our link in href attribute, and when we clicked the a text, our web page goes to that directory. We need an image. We can put the image in our file with image tag with src attribute. We can link our image file with /. It means go to this directory and select the file. And you know, all of the websites have some buttons. We can make these lovely buttons with button tag. Let's go to make a simple website with our knowledge about HTML. In center tag, we need an image, and then we want a title for our image. Maybe car is good. Then we need a P to make a paragraph of this post in our web page. And then we need a HR bottom and above these items. And then we need a title for our website. We can write our title in H1 and write our post's title in H2 or H3. Guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and I hope this tutorial will help you how to use HTML to make simple websites. And now I'm sure you know what is HTML and you know how to start HTML programming. So good luck, love you guys, and see you